Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see part 2 of problems based on probability. In my previous video, we have seen part 1. So if you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. So in this video, we will see problems on deck of playing cards, which is nothing but a pack of playing cards. So before going to the problems, first let's see what is this pack of playing cards. So in a pack of playing cards, there are total 52 cards. How many? 52 cards. Out of these 52 cards, there are some black cards and some red cards which are equally divided. So we have some black cards equally divided means by 2. If you do by 2, there is 26 black cards and we have 26 red cards. So again in 26 cards, there are two types of cards. So we have which are also equally divided. So in 26 means by 2 will give you 13, right? So we have 13. These are also black cards. Here also 13 black cards. But based on the type of card, which means these 13 cards have got this symbol and these 13 cards have got this symbol. So these cards are called as spade and these cards are called as club. So I repeat, in 26 black cards, there are 13 black spade cards and we have 13 black club cards. Similarly, these 26 red cards, based on different types of cards, here also we have 13 red diamond cards and we have 13 red heart cards. I hope this is clear till here. So each set of these 13 cards are called as suit. So in each suit there are 13 cards. Now let's see what are these 13 cards. So we have king, queen, jack, ace, that is ACE, and we have numbers. So it starts with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards, right? Similarly in this suit also we have king, queen, jack, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these cards have got this symbol and all these cards have got this symbol, which is a club cards. Similarly in this suit we have king, queen, jack, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we have king, queen, jack, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these two set of cards are in black and these two set of cards are in red. I hope this is clear. So now these set of cards, that is a digit cards, which means from numbers. So these cards are called as digit cards. So how many digit cards we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 4. So 9 into 4 will give you 36. So we have 36 digit cards. And these set of cards, that is king, queen, jack and ace. So these set of cards are called as honor cards. So how many honor cards we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. So let me write here. So honor cards 4 into 4, that is 16 cards. And we have digit cards, which is 9 into 4, which is 9 fours are 36 cards. And also we have face cards. Now what is face card? King, queen and jack. These three cards of each suit all together are called as face cards. So face cards, how many face cards do we have? 3 into 4. So 3 fours are 12. So we have 12 face cards. So this is all about cards. So I repeat, in a pack of playing cards, there are 52 cards. So in this 52 cards, there are some black cards and some red cards which are equally divided. So that means we have 26 black cards and 26 red cards. So in this 26 black cards, there are two types of cards. So these are called as spade cards and these are club cards. So we have 13 spade cards and 13 club cards. Similarly, in 26 red cards, we have 13 diamond cards and 13 heart cards. So here spade and clubs are black cards and diamond and heart are red cards. So each set of 13 cards are called as suit. So these 13 cards are king, queen, jack, ace, and we have number cards, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these all are spade cards. Similarly, in club cards we have king, queen, jack, ace and number cards. And also in red diamond cards we have king, queen, jack, ace and all number cards. And also in heart we have king, queen, jack, ace and all number cards. But these two cards are red and these two set of cards are black. So now all these number cards are called as digit cards. So how many digit cards we have? In each set we have 9 digit cards. 9 into 4 will give you 36. So total 36 digit cards we have. And this king, queen, jack and ace, all the king, queen, jack and ace together are called as honor cards. So how many honor cards we have? 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 honor cards. What are face cards? So king, queen and jack, all king, queen and jacks are called as face cards. All these cards, king, queen and jack. So how many face cards we have? 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 face cards. Right? Now that we know about the cards, let's see this problem. Here it says, one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red suit. So first one, we have to find the probability of getting king of red suit. We know the formula, it's a ratio of number of outcomes favorable to E by total number of possible outcomes. Here the total number of possible outcome is total number of cards, that is the 52 cards, right? In the numerator we have number of outcomes favorable to E. So E here is king of red suit. Probability of getting king of red suit. How many king of red suit we have? So red suit we have 2, right? In this, how many king? In those 2 red suits, how many kings are there? 1 red king and 2, right? So 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So the probability is 1 by 26. Now let's see the second one. What is the probability of getting a queen of black suit? Which is equal to, here also the total possible outcome is 52. And in the numerator we have number of outcomes favorable to E. So E here is to get a queen of black suit. How many queen of black suit is there? It's a black suit, so we have 2 set, right? So queen, so 1 queen here and 1 queen here. So 2 queen, right? So 2. So 2 1s are, 2 26 are. Therefore the probability is 1 by 26. Now let's see the third one. What is the probability of getting a jack of hearts? Which is equal to, here also the total possible outcome is 52. And the numerator we have number of outcomes favorable to E. E here is getting a jack of hearts. So how many jack of hearts are there? Only 1 jack of heart, right? So 1, which is equal to 1 by 52. Therefore the probability of getting a jack of hearts is 1 by 52. Now let's see the fourth one. Probability of getting a red face card, which is equal to, here also the total possible outcome is 52. And the numerator we have number of outcome favorable to E. So E is a red face card. So it's a red face card. So we have to check for red. Face cards we know. 3, these 3 plus 3. So that is 3 plus 3 is 6. We are looking only for the red, right? So 6. So this is nothing but 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So the probability is 3 by 26. I hope this is clear. So if you know this, you can solve any type of problems on cards. Now let's see one more example. But before that, pause the video and note this down. Now let's see this example. Here it says one card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is either a red card or a king. And next we have neither a red card nor a queen. So first let's see the first one. So we have to find the probability of getting either a red card or a king. So here we know the total possible outcome is 52. So in the numerator we have number of outcomes favorable to E. So E here is either a red card or a king. So it can be a red card or a king. So how many red cards we have? So 13 plus 13 is 26. Or a king. So here we have king plus 2 kings, right? This they have not said whether it's a red or a black. They just said it's a king. So this also will include. So 13 plus 13 is 26. So 26 plus 2 will give you 27, 28. So 28 outcomes favorable to E. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So we have 7 by 13. Now let's move on to second one. You have to find the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen. Neither a red card nor a queen. So here the total possible outcome is 52. So in the numerator we have number of outcomes favorable to E. So E here is neither a red card nor a queen. So we don't want red card nor a queen. Queen also we don't want. So red card means all these cards are not included. And also we don't want queen. That means these two also we should minus. Here we have queen, right? So out of 52 cards, we have to minus 13 plus 13 is 26. We have to minus 26 minus 2. So together we have to minus 28. So 52 minus 28 will give you 24. So I repeat, they have said neither a red card nor a queen. That means we don't want red card plus we don't want queen. So here we have 26 red cards. So these 26 red cards are excluded. Plus these two queens also excluded, right? So 26 plus 2, 27, 28. So out of 52, 28 is excluded. So 52 minus 28 will give you 24. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So we are left with 6 by 13. So therefore the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen is 6 by 13. They can also ask probability of getting a honor cards. In that case you can write total possible outcome is 52. In the numerator we have 16 honor cards. So 16 by 52. If in case they ask what is the probability of getting a digit cards. In that case we have in denominator 52. In the numerator we have 36. How many digit cards we have? 36. So 36 by 52. So this is it in this video. So this is the last topic of 10th standard. If you have any doubt or queries, do let me know in the comment section below. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.